Here you see the panel connectors screwed through the two holes on the outside, here and here. The holes should be punched or drilled. The connector should be inserted with the 13.5-inch yellow WAN connector. This one here is one of the shorter ones that will run all the way along the edge. Should be tie wrapped with the blue one, and this LAN PoE connector was not properly installed. This is actually one of the older bases. You can see here the newer bases are slotted where the LAN PoE power adapter goes, but it definitely shows the NEMA connector with the blue cable and the yellow WAN cable, the blue LAN PoE and the yellow WAN through the outside holes.